Hello and welcome to another episode of Making Diablo Clone in Lisp streams, where we, are making Diablo Clone in Common Lisp. So today I'm going to be working on Literate Docs. So it is a technique in which you put the description, the textual description of the code into the, into some file, and then you put bits of your actual code in that file. And then you have some special process called tangling, which actually makes that into a separate, the code that has to be fed to compiler. And it also produces a very nice, documentation, and it serves very well as the document to kinda to onboard new developers. So give me just a moment. I will set up something in Twitch. So Pretzel, give me a moment. Pretzel Rocks, yeah, that's the one. So that probably be that one. Okay. So now the links to musical compositions should work better. Yeah, okay, instead of those stars or asterisks or whatever. Okay, where was I? So I already have this, I've already begun working on that. I have this org file, which is, connected to the org mode of Emacs. And so it already works. It has been supplied, the initial version was supplied by some member of also Russian Common Lisp community, nicknamed Rigidus. His name is Michael, so thank you, Michael, if you're watching this. Right, so give me just 1 second. I think there might be something wrong with the stream. Oh no, I think it's just fine. But weird. Anyway, yeah, okay. So where was I? I already have this document, so let me just grab a browser and, have it. Yeah, I think it is on this path. So I already have that in main repository under the Literate branch. So you can already check that out. It was initially in Russian, so I decided to type that in English. Right, yeah, and as you can see, it looks very beautiful, and then after this process called tangling, hopefully it would recreate the whole sources of the game. It will grab all of those pieces of code and then put them into the, source files. So yeah, that's the idea, and the only thing I wanted to do prior that is, to make this true. So I've kinda wrote this new instruction for kinda new developers. And the problem here is that it would work, but it would fail at some point. It would say that it's like there's no DLD package or whatever. And the reason for that, give me just a moment, I'll open that thing. So where should I go to? No, to DLD, and then in DLD resources, and I have those, what do I have? UIs, I think. And there is this main menu. So this is basically a DSL script, but basically it's just Lisp code, but yeah, let's say it's DSL. I think later I will also work on how that looks, because this looks a bit awful with all those spec and whatever. Right, so the problem here is that I call this NK label with the argument DLD version string, which is kinda the version of the game, right? And kinda in lower left corner you have this version of the game. Problem is, if I use the same resources archive for the demo, for the actual engine demo, the problem is that actually demo does not have DLD, because DLD is, Darkness Lumen the Dawn, the actual techno demo, the actual game. So yeah, I kinda have to somehow fix this. And let me think what my options are. Actually, I think right now DLD just tracks the latest master of the engine, And the problem, consequently, is that I can't really change anything in the engine itself without, well, releasing a new version of the engine, right? And I kinda don't want to release a new version, or kinda like maybe I could just put a new commit in master, kinda just cherry pick that. And I think I already have those, so give me just one moment. Let's see, let's have a look at the Git tree for the engine. So I think I already have, so yeah, let's have git k. Wait, what? Why? Where's master? Oh yeah, here it is. So here I have master, yeah, and I have this tag, and after this tag, after this version, I already have some like hotfixes, I might call them. Yeah, fixed some compilation problems, etc. So probably I just might as well like make a new hotfix and just be done with it. Yeah, I think that's viable. Let me maybe... Okay, so what would be other options? Other option would be to kinda only use in this, well, script, only to use some things related to the engine, not related to DLD itself. But I mean, that just wouldn't work because I have to kinda know the version of the game in the game, not in the engine. I don't have this information in engine at all. So yeah, I think I probably have to like imagine something, like invent something here. Yeah, and then just put it on top of master and then cherry pick it to develop. Right. Yeah, there would be a lot of Git magic involved today. But yeah, after that, I mean the initial portion of that document, the quick start, would be actually ready. You will have this nice onboarding script, which you just can call and, well, have the engine running. Okay, so let's think, what can we do here? So we want a version string, but we only want it kinda in the game, but then there should be some way to get it from the game to the engine, so then the engine could like pick that up, right? So how can I do that? Well, okay, and there was some another thing about version in the engine itself, so give me just a sec. In did-kit, yeah, here's something about version. I recall some to-do comment. Yeah, this one. So I also have a version of the engine itself. I just put its version in the log, right? And by the way, I haven't seen that in a while. Give me just a moment. Let's just try and, well, spawn the REPL. First of all, yeah, of course, SBCL. Why do you ask, stupid? So let's then do this usual. No, not that. Yeah, this one. Let's just load the engine and then try and start it. So it obviously would work, of course. And yeah, come on, just do that faster, please. So yeah, okay, let's have a look at the log, shall we? So if we go to local now, goddammit, what are you? Okay, local share demo log. So what do I have here? Oh yeah, we do have that line. Starting did-kit engine version 0.1.2. Okay. But I think if I start it again, I probably won't have it. Log, init log, blah 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 blah. Yeah, let's try it. Let's just do that again, shall we? Okay. So what would happen now? So I'll press exit again. Let's have a look. Yeah, and now we just can see it, right? That's problematic. I think I also want to fix that while I'm at it. Yeah, that would be a bit painful. Okay. Why is this happening though? I think, I mean, the order of those lines is like incredibly fragile. If I move just any of those lines, something would definitely break. So I kind of don't want to touch a lot of stuff here, but why this stuff isn't working? Okay, let's try and do this. Let's just have another line here, another line of log, and let's try that. So I think I already can have a look at log, so let's do just that. And I still can't see shit here. Why though? I mean, how? Yeah, okay, let's just put another line maybe here. And something distinguishable, something like that. Oops, nope. Okay. So let's call it again, and let's have a look at the log. Alright. So we see this line, but we can't see anything here. Weird. Very weird. So what is happening here? Set config value. Starting. I kind of want this line here, because if I say it here, it is not already starting. I mean, it is like mid-process. It is already half started. Like, I don't want it here. So why the fuck does that happen? I mean, why? So, like, any log line here isn't going through, right? So I have to recompile that and yeah, have a look. Rubber, and then we don't have anything prior to that. And the first log lines are related to AL install system, which is a fancy name for AL init. That might be it. So let's try, god damn it, yeah, that was weird. So let's just try and type something right here. Like that. And exit from here and start over. So what now? Now that works. Now we see that. And I'm kinda happy with the timing and with the placing of that log line. I think I would leave it here, but then again it would be problematic. It might be problematic for the case when we have just freshly started Lisp image, right? So let's just remove all that shit. So let's verify that it still works. And yeah, it still works. Here's that line, starting engine. So let's just fully restart Lisp image and see if that still works. Okay, so the moment of truth. So if we go here, it still works. Okay, yay, I guess. So I wonder, sorry, I wonder why I left that line there though. Just a sec. Yeah, why though? Why I left that line there? Probably something related to log system initialization, I think. But yeah, I'm kinda fine with it being initialized in Allegro itself. Why it isn't working though? Weird. Yeah, weird. Not yet. Okay, let's just commit that fix then. And yeah, I probably don't want that fix yet committed to the game, to its latest version, because, I mean, why would I? It's just... I mean, probably the game would be launched from its own binary, not in the REPL. I mean, it's highly unlikely that someone would start that game from REPL. Right, so let me just commit that, and I have a lot of shit going on here, so yeah, let me just find what I need here. What the heck do I need? Where is... I can't see... Have I saved it? Oh yeah, here we go. So I'm gonna just commit that. Do I have anything else? Nope, I don't. So what have I done here? I kind of fixed the initial log line in like warm Lisp image, if you could put it like that. Fix the initial log line like appearance, let's put it that way, appearance. I hope I typed that right. So fix the initial log line appearance in warm Lisp image. Yeah, that's the idea. Okay, let's commit that. And yeah, what do I want to do next? Where was I? Yeah, I was going to fix that stuff. Yeah, so when I typed that to-do comment, the idea was that I kind of can have some sort of a macro for this trick, because the trick going on here is that I query ASDF to get the version of some package right from the, well, ASDF from the package system. And the thing is, I think I use similar trick in the game. So if I go to DLD, src DLD, yeah, I have this, and I even use Alexandria defined constant. Wow. I have it as a string, right? Wow, what's going on? So what is the type of this expression first? Let's see. It's a string, so why am I using Alexandria here? A bit weird, but okay. So the initial idea was to just have some kind of macro to, well, define that for some like arbitrary package, right? I think I'm kinda concocting the solution here. So yeah, I can have some kind of macro or function or yeah, something like that. Or probably even a function to query that, and then I can use it in that UI script, and I can just return nil when the package is not found, right? And then what can I do then? And then I can just check if some like package is nil, and then just, yeah, I can just what's the word? Like case on the, like switch on the on some specific package presence, right? So if I do like just that in my image right now, which does not have DLD package, it would say, yeah, it would do that. Ouch. I think, yeah, I kind of wanna handle that. Wait a sec. So was it like coming from here? Yeah, it was. So can I like do that without the exception though? Let's have a look at this thing. Find system, blah 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 blah. Def method. Okay, yeah, whatever. So wow, that's a lot of stuff. Optional. Oh yeah, we have this RRP, which is set to T, and what it can be. One RRP, error, blah blah blah. Try again, RRP. So if no system is found, then signal an error if RRP is true, the default, or else return nil. the system, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, okay. So I think I got the idea here. Wait, what was it? Was it a keyword? Oh, it's optional. That's weird. So I can just have to specify second argument. Do I? God damn it, I lost it. Okay. Let's just close that and try that. That works. Okay. All right. Okay. So let me just type in that thing. So probably that wouldn't be a constant, right? I'm just going to well, query that in runtime, right? So that would be a function, obviously. And it would return some package version. And probably it would even have a format, right? I'm just trying to like have all of the necessary things at once. So yeah, probably I would want a format here. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, right. The format, and then, well, the actual package, right? Package. And that would obviously return nil if, well, if no package found under that name, right? Yeah, I think that would do it just fine. Yeah, right. Okay. Format and package. So what are we doing here? First of all, we call SDF find system, and then we supply the package. Goddammit, package, and then we supply nil. So we obviously have to put it in a flat. So that would be the package. No, it would be, how do I call it? Package instance, maybe? Package instance. So if that instance is true, then we call format, right? With a nil, because that would be a string, and with a supplied format. Oh, yeah, okay, that is a variable. I recently was writing some code in Scheme, well, just to remember the old days. And yeah, it is a Lisp 1, so it kinda like puzzles me having the same variable as the function name. But yeah, common Lisp is Lisp 2, so it is totally fine here. So, the format, and then we just get the slot value called ASDF version, right? But instead of this, we use package instance. Package, come on, goddammit, package instance. Okay, and that would basically be it. But then in case this is not correct, I mean, I can even have when let here, right? Because when returns nil if it is not true, right? Okay, let me try that. Like 42, yeah, okay, it returns nil, but when like 1, yeah, okay. So when let it is then, when let. And probably I might want to add some declarations, right? Some type declarations, just to be on the safe side. So let me just copy some. It's weird that I don't have any type declarations here in the main file, except this one. No, that's weird. Okay, so I probably don't want that to be inlined because it kind of uses a lot of like ASDF machinery and whatever. So let's just have it not inlined, but yeah, let's have a type declaration. So it is a function which takes a string and then, well, something else, stringish. I mean, the string is fine here and the keyword and the symbol too. So how do I get a type? How do I specify a type for like string designator or whatever? How is it called? So let's see, common Lisp type designator. Oh no, not type, but string. Yeah, string designator. What is the nature of designators? A string designator, yeah, right. Package designator based on a string designator. String designator. String contains a character and not the other way around. However, singleton, blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, okay. What is the link here? Yeah, glossary. A designator for a string, an object that denotes a string and is one of character, symbol, string. A symbol, yeah, right. The intent, blah, 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 implementation and extend string, blah, 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 blah. I mean, how do I, like, specify it in the type? Okay, so let's have a look at some examples though, shall we? So yeah, here we have a specialization for a string. And I think that works for keyword, right? Okay, so let me try that. Type, how do I... Okay, do I use type of? Yeah, right, well, type of a keyword is obviously a keyword, but how do I check if it is a subtype? God damn it. LISP get subtype or something. Subtype P. Yeah, that's what I want. So subtype P. Type 1, type 2. Okay, so type 1, which is which? Come on, goddammit. If type 1 is a recognizable subtype of type 2, the first value is true. Okay, type 1 is a subtype of type 2. So, is a keyword a subtype of string? Wait, what? How? Yeah, probably I should use symbols here. Nil and T. What is the second value? Second value is also returned to indicate the certainty of the first value. If this result is true, then the first value is an accurate indication of subtype relationship. Huh. Does it say something about string? Nope. This is awkward. Subtype. String, character designator, package name, function, package designator. Okay, so what the heck is the type of that? Package name, and then if we go to that, define package name. So where is the type declaration? Do we even have one? I don't think we do. Nope. Let's transform. Docker. God damn it. I mean, this is really awkward because it just demonstrates how bad do I know common Lisp. Oh, trivial types. That's interesting. Let me just have a look at sources, package, special streams, type specs. Valid type specifier, yeah, whatever, designators. Yeah, that's my idea. Function designator, list, package, path name, stream, string designator, or character symbol string. Oh, yeah. Okay, that was, well, easier than I expected. So the only question I have left is a keyword a subtype of a symbol? And it is. Okay, amazing. So I mean, I can just use that declaration here. So, or character symbol string. Okay, yay. And this function, this package version, returns either string or nil. So it is or string nil. And then the actual package version. Okay, I have it. So let me just unbreak 80 columns, which I broke. So yeah, let's compile that, and let's compile. Oh, what is happening? Derived type of nil is values null optional, conflicting with the declared function return type values string rest t. What the fuck? Do I have like put another values here as usual? Oh yeah, I guess I do. I mean, does format return multiple values? That's something new. Format, yeah, common Lisp. For my recipes, yeah, where do I, yeah, function format. So, result, if destination is not null, then nil otherwise a string. How the fuck it is multiple values with some shit here? Derived type of null. Weird. That's weird. Maybe one let returns multiple values. Wait, what? Okay. Let binding is blah 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 when and variables forms. Nope. It should return what when returns. And what does when return? Give me just one moment. So let's have a look. Okay, I do have a bookmark for CLHS. So when. So what does when return? When result with a star. The values of the forms in a when form, if the test form yields true, or an unless form that does arise nil. So it is a multiple values, which is weird. The forms I evaluated in order from left and right, and the values returned the forms and returns from the unless form and the race. I mean, what are the other like values? Weird. Super weird. But yeah, okay. That's just, well, Lisp. So, where was I? Values on that, yeah, this one. Okay. Let me just have a quick look at this assembly, just out of sheer curiosity. So this assemble, goddammit, I always forget how it is spelled. Disassemble package version. Okay, thank you. So, oh, it's not big actually, 142 bytes. So it just calls system fight system from ASDF, then accesses a slot, then calls format. Well, yeah, it's kinda quite obvious. Yeah, right. So instead of using that engine version, which I'm sure I'm not using anywhere else, yeah, I'm not. So let's just replace that with a appropriate call. Yeah, probably I could even replace like the whole call here, but I'm just going to use a small format. So package version, like v something, and then this data kit. So then, yeah, I can remove the V here, and I think that's that. Oh, and I probably want to have kind of default for a format, right? But I mean, I can't have a default value for a parameter unless it is optional or a keyword parameter, right? God damn it. Yeah, okay, let's just leave it at that then. I mean, if I do those both optional, so it wouldn't make a lot of sense, but yeah, it would make a bit of sense. Because... Okay, well, let me just think for a moment. Yeah, probably it isn't just worth an effort, because, well, I probably always would have some requirement for how this format should look. I mean, this version should look. So yeah, I think that will do. Okay, awesome. So now I can use that new thing in the UI script, right? So let me do just that. So first of all, I think I want to commit this crap, and then probably I want to cherry pick that on top of master, right? What do I have in master? Would it cherry pick cleanly? Give me just one moment. So let's have a look at source. Oh, I'm on develop, of course. Yeah, let's switch to master. So where was I? Did a clone kit? What the fuck it is? Yeah. God damn it. So engine version something. Where was it? Damn it. Yeah, here I go. I don't have any comments here, and then log info, blah blah blah. I hope it would cherry pick cleanly. Oh no, it wouldn't because of that line, so I would have to cherry pick both of those commits, god damn it. Okay, I would do that. Right, so where was I? Make this exported macro. Yeah, I don't even need that anymore. Package version, yeah, that's that. Let me just restart and just to be sure that everything compiles and works properly. Where is my... yeah, here we go. So it looks like it is compiling and it would appear that it is working. Yeah, it is. Okay, awesome. So let me just commit that. The clone kit. No, where was I? Yeah, I was here. Oh yeah, and the question here is that do I actually want that function here? Because I mean, is there some file in which it would be more appropriate? Components, config. Is it related to config? Not actually. Is it related to the log? Probably not. Credits, data tables, and it is file system. Is it related to file system? Not exactly. HP input item system log package. Putting that in package would be a bit insane, so no thank you. Sprite systems, no it's not systems. Tiled tests. Yeah, okay, let's just leave it here. Oh, and I probably will also want to document that. And I also really want to export that. Yeah, I do. Okay, so first of all, so I don't forget, let's put it here. So kit, blah blah blah. It is after game started P, so let's put it here. Package version. So what does it do? It returns returns the package version from ASDF. Should I type it like lowercase? ASDF. Yeah, let's type it lowercase. Package version from ASDF. Formatted according to format. If the package does not exist, the package does not exist. Yeah, exist. Does not exist. Yeah, right. Then returns. Returns null. Or should I lowercase it? Give me just one sec. I'll have a look at how I was doing it. Yeah, I was using it in all caps. So yeah, null. Okay. So let's just do that. And yeah, here we go. If the package does not exist, then returns null. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, package version. And I exported it here. Okay, awesome. So let's commit that. So in the clone kit, I have all of that stuff. I also have this line changed, and I think that's it. Yeah, I have a lot of to-dos here. So yeah, another one would be package.lisp here. Yeah, package version. And I think that's that, right? Is it though? Yeah, I think it should be. Yeah, I was working on something regarding the map system and loading the mobs right out of the map file instead of painfully specifying them in the hard-coded way in the code. But I haven't finished yet, so nothing to commit yet here. Okay, so I think that's all of my commit here. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, package version. Okay, so what have I done here? Yeah, probably I also want a changelog line. Yeah, adding new stuff becomes a bit tedious these days. So, edit package version helper to, well, to get package version. I mean, it is to keep it on obvious-ish. Package version helper to get, well, get package versions from LDF. Or probably I should type it like that. Okay, package version helper blah blah blah. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, now we have it. So we added package version helper. Dun, 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 dun. Have I removed everything I should have removed? Yeah, I think so. Okay, edit. So now I want to cherry pick that shit in master along with previous commit because, well, it wouldn't cherry pick cleanly without that. So I need to switch to master. Could you please switch to... God damn it. Yes, I would have to, like, stash all of that crap. Ugh. How I hate those kind of situations. I have a lot of stuff going on here and switching branches. It is just pain in the ass. I mean, I could do that with a separate clone, right? Clone, huh, yeah. See what I did here? Clone, able to clone. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so I'm going to do a separate clone in temporary directory. I think I already have one. Do I? No, I don't. So let's just clone it, right? God damn it. So, I mean, I do have it, this change in master, right? Yeah, and I'm on develop, so I have to switch to master. And then what do I do then? So I then issue a cherry pick command, right? Dun, 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 dun. I'm a bit lost here, so I think I'm going to take the commit hashes from here. Oh, I have a CI running too. Probably I shouldn't push that often because, well, I don't have an infinite number of CI minutes. What is it doing? Yeah, it's building. It isn't even uploading it anywhere, or at least I can't see the result. So yeah. Probably I should use a T command in my CI. Well, yeah, let me just have a quick reminder to future me to do that. Yeah, so how do I put a comment in YAML file? Is that even possible? Oh, it is possible. Okay, so what I want here is probably use the command to see SB-lint output. Okay, I'm definitely going to return to that at some point. So I need commit hashes, right? I want to cherry pick that commit. Cherry pick. I don't remember if I have a shortcut for this command. So yeah, I'm going to cherry pick that, and it cherry picked cleanly, just nice. Fix the initial. Yeah, it just moved it here. I mean, just visually, but it is still a bit confusing. But yeah, it looks fine. All right, fix the initial line. Okay, where was I? So I also want to cherry pick another commit, right? This one. So I'm gonna do. Could it? Oh yeah, it can auto expand. Okay, and I. God damn it! In changelog. Oh, what's going on? Damn it! It's nice that it hasn't happened in my main repository, in my main working copy. So I obviously don't need that crap. Returns blah blah blah. Yeah, this one. And then I think that's it. Yeah. And then the changelog. What's going on in changelog? Edit. Yeah, I obviously only want. Oh. Yeah, so technically this change isn't in 0.1.1 because it already has been released, but I'm just putting that on top in the master branch. So those changes, they're kind of in limbo, right? They're not in 0.1.1 and they're not in unreleased, which would become 0.1.2. Yeah, weird. But not as weird as time travel, right? So let's just do that. Let's just add this file and have a look if everything is correct, so which is indexed. So I've removed this constant, I've added a declaration for the package version, I've added the package version function, I've changed this log info to the new one, and then I've added these to package.lisp. I don't want it in changelog. So yeah, I guess that will do. What do I do next? How do I continue the cherry pick? Yeah, git cherry pick continue. Well, that was kind of obvious. Yeah, continue. Edit package version helper. Looks like you may be committing a cherry pick, if that is correct. Run blah 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 conflicts. Yeah, I think I fixed those. So yeah, I think that's right. So what's going on now? Now we have this initial log line fixed in master, and then we have this package version helper. So yeah, I can push that. I can push that, and oh, that is unsettling. Okay, so let me just change my origin then, because I don't want to type my password. It would appear in this thing. So how do I set URL or something? Yeah, something like that. So I want to change it to the proper origin URL with a git, right? This one. So yeah, origin, blah blah blah. Okay, so now it should push without the password. To create a merge request for master, yeah, that would be weird. So let me have a look. So you pushed it. Let's see. So yeah, 14th of August. Blah blah blah. Alright then. So now, okay, my watch is saying that I should walk a little. Give me just one moment. Huh. Yeah, okay. Right. Where was I? So now, it also runs some sort of CI here. What do we have? Oh yeah, GitHub pages for the documentation. So, and it also would add this package version there to documentation, but whatever. So now, as this change is in master of Ditto clone kit, I can use that in the game, right? In Darkness Lumin. So, what can I do? Let me just switch to that buffer with the main menu. Yeah, this DSL. So instead of that crap, I can have some expression here, which would be working for the both cases. For the case when I'm using it in the actual game, and just in the case when I'm just launching the engine demo, right? So how would we do that? Okay, let me just switch to DLD. So I obviously don't want that anymore. I just want to keep a format, right? So, so when, no, it should be if let, what should that be? It should be flat, I think. So if, goddammit, if let, and it would be a bit weird from the standpoint of well, of the code, but it would work for all of the cases. So yeah, my main case here is the game, so that would be DLD version. Yeah, that would be weird, because if I create some another games using that engine, I would also have to add it here. That is going to be weird, but I mean, why not? Yeah, anyway, whatever. So if let DLD version package version of DLD, right? Yeah, right. So if that is true, oh wait, we also want to specify a format. Which version? Like V and then space and then actual version. And then, yeah, if that is true, we just use DLD version. But if that is false, it means we are in the demo and we want a package version like, yeah, something more elaborate. So we want something like Ditto clone kit version. This one. Do I use a space in here? Yeah, I don't. Huh. A space, engine, Probably just out of style, like, considerations. I probably don't want a space there, or like, do I? Okay, well, let me just have a look. So I call this one. Let's just see. So we have this one. So probably I want a space here, but I don't want space here. Like, oops. demo. Right. And I don't want that. So yeah, that is my thing here. So let's see if that still works. I mean, it should be loaded. Oh, wait, what? Undefined function, package version. Oh, I probably should recompile the whole thing. So I can just remove bin, I guess, and build.lisp. God damn it. And I probably also want something. No. Build.lisp, something. Yeah, something like that. And I probably want some soda. Wow, that's cold. Oh, okay. So let's just try and start that now. Wait, what? Deleting unreachable code. Why though? Package. Oh yeah, because I've left the freaking package out. So that would be due to clone kit. Yeah, here we go. So what would you say now? God damn it, why is it unreachable? I mean, how? Yeah, probably because of the high level of optimization, the compiler just sees that this would be always true and just removes that. But still, I don't like this warning very much. You're going to get package version, demo, you're going to get delete unreachable code. Why though? Package version, unreachable code, huh? I don't like it. Why is it happening? Okay, let me just have this expression here. Wait, what? How? I'm not... Weird. The value nil is not a type string from the declaration. I guess that would be the declaration of of my package version function. God damn it, I already pushed that in master. But I mean, why? How come? So it yells at this line, right? Package version va DLD. So let's just quit here and try and use just that. Ha! What the fuck? Expected string datum nil. Where the fuck is nil? I mean... So if I fuck's sake. Why though? Okay, let's have a look at data clone kit then here and the definition of that function. So package instance string or string nil. I mean the return value here is or string nil, right? It should work. So what if I just remove that? Would that do the trick? It would. What the actual fuck? I mean... Oh. What if I do that? And then recompile. Uh-huh. So it turns out I can't specify some functions return value to be either nil or some non-nil type. Because, well, any type is non-nil type, but, well, except nil. So, I mean, what's going on here? I mean, that's weird. Lisp type nil or string. Would that yield something? What's the exact difference? Is it possible to define a recursive type? Oh, there's something new. How to check the types? The same insertion to complex to check. Nil belongs to the symbol no less than Boolean types. And there's subtypes. If you really want, you can include in a custom type too. Or null U is regarded generally as an optional U. Fuck, I should have put null here, because that's the type of nil. God damn it, why am I so stupid? So now it would obviously work, yeah, of course. Fuck's sake. And I guess it wouldn't yield a warning here. No, it would, because I have to recompile the whole thing, right? Let's do just that for a moment. Yeah, now it works, and it is not yielding a warning. Okay, I'm going to just cherry pick that shit too. Yeah. So what have I done here? I fixed the type declaration. Is it how it is called? Type declaration? Yeah, whatever. Type declaration for package version. Wait just a second. So package version is actually a function from CL, right? It's a standard function. Package. Oh yeah, it's not. Why would that be? Yeah, it was a weird second. I had that thought. It was a bit painful. Okay, so what do? I push that to develop, fix the type declaration, blah blah blah. Yeah. And then I cherry pick that to master 2. Ouch. Painful. So, pull, and then cherry pick. Yeah. Cherry pick, and then let's go to GitLab again. No. This one it's doing the CI again, which is not very good. So yeah, here we go. And it cherry picked cleanly. Yay. So no, yeah, okay. And now I push that. Right. Wait, what? None fast forward. How come? Fix the type declaration. What the fuck is going on? I mean, I have it here and I have it in master, so what it wasn't able to wait, what is going on here? I mean, how GitLab pages have failed? Fuck me. Unable to load. Oh yeah, here we go again. So this shit is going on because some Docker package version, some Docker packaging is different because now it is missing libffi for some fucking reason. And I guess I have to also commit that to master. Oof. Yes, I remember I was fixing that somewhere in develop, right? I think I can just like blame or whatever. I can just go. I can switch to. I can even like edit my GitLab CI YAML right now. No, I probably can't. Yeah, I can't. I have to Wow, and they are really different. I mean, I have these changes in CI, and I would have to merge those GitLab CI YAML into the one file. Wow, good luck, future me. Yeah, okay, where was I? So I want to switch to develop first. Yeah, I want to pull, and I want to have a look at GitLab CI YAML. And I want to, yeah, use that. libffi 7 is what I want. So I'm gonna switch back to master. I'm gonna just change this freaking GitLab CI YAML accordingly. Yeah, just add here libffi 7. And that's that. I'm gonna just commit that. So what's the idea here? Fixed CI. Yeah, whatever. I mean, this one would also fail, and it did. So I'm going to just push that too, I guess. Yeah. I mean, I do want my documentation to build, at least the automatic ones with the doc strings and whatever. So, what now? So now I can finally go back to the game and fix it. So, so this works. I mean, this UI file, it works for the actual game, right? So let me just re-verify. Yeah, it works. We can see version 0.1 here, which is also weird because I have 3 numbers for the engine, but I have like 2 numbers here. Where was it? I can't really see any version here though. I mean, how the fuck? Oh yeah, it is getting from here, from version txt, which... yeah, now I remember, I think. Right, so what I want to do next? Next, I want to copy this new file. Let me just have a look at diff first. So from resources, UI's main menu, and from Brox game dev d2clone kit, resources, UI's, goddammit, UI's the main menu. Let's have, wow, that's a lot. I mean, ooh, let's see. So this one is from the game, and this one is from the engine. So what is the difference here? Not a normal image, so I... This is from the game, this is the engine. So I just renamed those images. Image, background. I renamed those to... I've added this suffix called image, right? Button active, button disabled. Yeah, I probably don't want to touch that. But then again, probably I won't. Background image. Background. Okay, let's do this. Let's try and tweak that. So, background. So I've changed that here to background image, right? And then here I obviously changed it too. So then next I've changed that button normal image, so I can as well just copy that to buffers, button active. So normal, hover and active. Normal, hover and active. And then disabled. Where am I using that? Nowhere. That is weird. Oh. Yeah, I'm just searching without a colon because I'm using that here. Button disabled, image, image. Okay, let's have a look if I'm using that anywhere else. Button disabled. Yeah, only here. So let's just check if that actually works. And it kinda loads. So yeah, it works, yay. So everything kinda, yeah, works. Okay, cool. So then, what else is different? Yeah, so this is the same now. Exit, blah, 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 button disabled, blah, 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 whatever. Yeah, so it has this, like, thing for the continue button, which I don't have in the engine. Why not, though? When game started, continue. I mean, what is different here? Continue. Press W entity when game started. So here is if game started. Oh, it just draws the button which is disabled. Right? Yeah, right. Should I kinda unify that? Yeah, probably I should, because, well, it is a code. Although a bit DSL-ish. So yeah, 7, 8, let's go here. Yeah, so I want that, and I guess I also want this thing about disabled image. Do I have a disabled image in, like, resources here? Nope. Game dev, engage resources, images. God damn it. So I have button. No, I don't have button disabled. Button. Oh yeah, I do have that file. Okay, that's good. So let's just copy that here. And the last thing here is the thing related to version, which I also want, right? Let's space, blah blah blah, package version, did kit, v blah 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 demo. Yeah, okay, let's copy that too. So now they're identical. Awesome. Okay, so let's try that. First of all, I just want to be extra sure it is working in the actual game. And it does. So let's just see if that works. So I think I've changed that with the melt, yeah. So now let's start the demo then. Have I committed something in develop here? For fuck's sake. So develop. Fix the type declaration. Yeah, that's the one. So if I call the demo here, what would happen? Would that break? The moment of truth is yay, and it works. Did a clone kit, the blah 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 demo. Yep. Probably I also want to kind of change this line because it does not look that nice. Oh, and by the way, I also want a frame counter above this. So let me just leave a to-do comment here too. Yeah, okay. So, where was I? Did the clone kit, the blah 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 demo. Dun 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 dun. Dum dum. So should I kinda change it to some different string, or would that do? I mean, I kinda want the actual version numbers at the end, right? So how do I put d2clone git demo? Yeah, probably I just put the word demo here before the version. Demo, v, blah blah blah. Yeah. Just one moment. So, how do I do that? I put that here. And it's kinda not very nice that the font is only small caps, right? Yeah, I'm using the small caps font. And where am I loading it? I'm not even loading it explicitly here. Yeah, okay, whatever. So let me have another look. Probably it would be perfect right now. Yeah, perfect. This is gonna give demo, blah blah blah. So now with that change, which I should also commit right now, with that change, the archive with the resources is totally reusable between like the actual this game, Darkness Lumen, the Dawn, and the demo of the engine. So then I can fix that in documentation. So let me just have another release of the game then. So I guess I have to go to resources and just pack a new archive, right? So I had some line in my history. No, not that. Zip, 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 zip. Nope. Nah. It was something like zip resources. No. Zip. Okay, so it was something like assets.zip, right? Yeah, this one. Just in the resources directory, right? So this line. Yay. CDB. I mean, why? What was? That was weird. I think my disk is slowly dying because sometimes it gives me some weird latencies. I mean, I have SSD disk, so what the actual fuck? Sometimes I launch some application and it takes like a couple of seconds to start it. So I think my disk is definitely in trouble. But yeah, whatever. So what should I do? I should just replace this. Oh, and wait a second. I also have to commit that change. Yeah, not here, but also here. Yeah, right. That is also weird, because I think I do have optimization on in my build scripts, right? So I don't really need that shit. Let me have a look. Oops, no, not here. So I don't even have release keyword anywhere, so why the fuck? Alright, so yeah, I think I do have that in my build script. Yeah, I do. So then, speed safety debug compilation speed size. Speed debug / speed safety. I don't even have a size here. So yeah. And another change I actually have to do is the one for this constant, because I don't really need that anymore. So yeah, that will do. So I think I can commit from here. Yeah, it would be easier. Right, so I think I'm going to commit those separately. So this is... Oh yeah, and there also was some problems in CI pipelines, I'm recalling. Yeah, there was something related to the version of liballegro, which I can also fix. Okay, so let me just to commit all of the stuff I can at once. So, first of all, remove, and also, by the way, how do I, yeah, okay. So removed obsolete, like optimization, like declarations from SD file. Yeah, that's the first commit. Then the second probably would be this change related to the to the version. So nothing. Yes, stage and commit all on stage changes. Yeah, I think so. I am thinking so, but let me just quickly have a look at the archive. Have I changed something? So in temp, let's just download that file. Yeah, right here. Assets.zip. So let's unzip it. This is the zip 1 for some reason. And let's have a look at the full directory here at... Oh, I've extracted it right here, goddammit. Rubber. Yeah, rubber 4. So set zip 1 here and unpack this one. Wait, what? That is weird. Set zip 1 here and... Oh yeah. Back. Now that is getting weird. So now let's melt this directory and the one from my program files, so to speak. So DLD resources. Okay, so this thing is different, which is weird. Props. Oh yeah, I was having some experiments here, haven't I? So this one is from... Oh, yeah, right. So I probably should put that back, right? Yeah, I think so. And then white is in italic. Oh, another thing here. Oh no, files are identical. So why this red line here then? Weird, very weird. So credits. So this one is from... I probably want that variant. Okay. And then main menu. Well, it obviously is the... holds all of the changes I want. And then, yeah, right, this is that zip. So, what is my next step here? I probably want to repack the thing, right? Yeah, right. So, so let's remove that and then zip again. Okay, so now it is kinda the one that I want, probably. Can I like use melt to compare zip files? Would that work? Ouch, what's going on? Yeah, probably that was a bad idea because those are binary files. Yeah, that would work. Please die. Please. God damn it. Okay. So, where was I? Yeah, I think I want to commit that. Let me just make extra sure that everything works. Okay, I will just type everything here, maps, sprites. I've put everything into the zip archive, right? Haven't I? And then, yeah, I can just test if that works. And that works. Yeah, works just fine. Except that I've tweaked something in my local copy of the engine and now mobs are unresponsive. But yeah, whatever. It's just my local copy. So where was I? I think I want to commit those changes. So how do I put that? How do I put that? I've kind of unified the version like description in the main menu, right? So goddammit, unified version text in main menu for both the game and engine demo. Yeah, that's the idea. I think that is the only change for that zip file. Just let me be extra sure. So I'm gonna make like current resources, dear current resources, and just download that thing. Oops, so it's that zip here. And then unpack that. And then new resources, in which I'm going to copy it from procs, game.def, build the resources. This is the zip here. Pack it and remove. So now I can do meld between those directories, current and new. And yeah, so the difference is in credits, which I wanted to fix. Yeah, I've known the real name of Seabaggers, which is Chris Bagley. And then I want this change here. Yeah, okay, awesome. That would do. Yeah, of course. Right. So, unified version text in my menu for both the game and engine demo. That's that. And then another change I also wanted to introduce is the one for the for my build script for Linux, right? Build Linux. Dun, 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 dun. Right, use files from Bionic to get -527. So now what I wanted to do here is to use the same latest version of Allegro 527 on Linux here, and also just see if that script works yet. It might not. Right, so first of all I need links to those files. Okay, I'm just toying with my CI again, but well, why not? So 5.2 stable. Dun, 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 dun. So my series would be Trusty, right? Because Trusty is 1604. Is it though? Trusty Ubuntu. Yeah, it is 1604. Dun, 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 dun. Releases 1604 LTS. Oh, it is Xenial. And Trusty is 14. Wow. And you can even have that. That's some level of support. Yeah, probably I might want to switch to that. I don't know. Probably that's a bad idea. So yeah, let's stick to Xenial. So yeah, Xenial is 1604, 527. Yeah. So I need this package. I need like the direct links to that. So how do I do that? God damn it, the launchpad is so terrible. It is just such a bad hosting. I mean, you can't even figure anything here. Yeah, thank you, Captain Obvious. That's the same page I've just seen. 5.2 Ubuntu. Oh yeah, here we go. That is better. That is relatively better. So pull main. Am I going to right direction? I'm not sure. Dun 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 dun. PPA. Huh. I mean, how that is different from... Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, probably I should just go to the list of builds and pick something. Where is... How can I... Fuck's sake. Where can I see the full list of builds? Code. Yeah, thank you very much. Overview, active branches, personal package archive, show members, active members, related projects. God damn it. Loaded by package details. Oh yeah, I think that's that. Yeah, okay, I found it. So I need the one for Xenia, right? 1604. Yeah, that's that. So I want, yeah, here are the package files. I can just copy the direct links. Can I? Yeah, I can. Okay, so what I want here is, okay, let's just type those in. I want a codec. Okay, probably we'll move that here. So a codec. Which one is it, def or no? It is just the binary one. So a codec. MD64, this one. Yeah, this is going to be awkward, but yeah, whatever. So, a codec, then audio. So audio 52 MD64. Oops. Weird. So then dialogue, I probably can just remove those. So dialogue, dev 52, yeah, MD64. This one. So then image, an image dev for some reason. So yeah, let's see, image 5 MD64. And then image 5 dev for some very weird reason. So this one. Then FizzFS. FizzFS 52 MD64. Oops. Nope. Nope. FizzFS it is. So then TTF and then again TTF dev for some reason. So TTF blah 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 Xenia. I mean, how had I that for I recall I've changed, like, on the actual game page, I've changed the requirement for the for like, no, not this one, that's the old one. I've changed the requirement to, oh no, I left it at Ubuntu 16.04. I've just changed the requirement for Windows. Yeah, I had this idea, so I have to fix, like, I mean, the idea was to have my own build of SBCL, which will support Windows 7. And yeah, I just haven't had enough time to, well, do that. But I will, at some point I definitely will. I mean, it's fun, right? Like, having this changes in CI is always fun. And I'm not even being ironical. So, TTF dev MD64. And then we're gonna remove those. Then video. The Allegro video 52. Yeah, this one. Then just liballegro without a suffix. Liballegro, yeah, this one. Xenial, blah blah blah. Yeah. And then, and what next? 526, 527, and then liballegro 5 dev. Again, for some weird reason. So let's see, let's just remove that, and then, okay, so at the end I should have this thingy. Probably I could record a macro, so let's do just that. So I go to the end, and this, and then, yeah, like that. Alright, and then I just stop the macro, right, and then just play it. Okay, here we go. Nice. Oh yeah, I probably don't want it here. And yeah, I also want to do that, I forgot. So, how does the change look? Wait, that's weird. The URL is different. Huh. That's weird. I mean, the thing is that I kinda don't have to type in the build number right now. That's weird. But, I mean, that's better, right? So yeah, let's leave it at that. So the thing is, I have to test if that build actually works. Oops. So let's go to the LVM. Let's remove bin. Yeah, and then just do the thing. So the thing would be that I use that Docker image and just try and work with that. Okay. So I probably have something here. Oh, yeah, right. And do I have some kind of changes here? Yeah, just that. Okay. So let's start Docker then. Okay, we have it. Yeah, probably I should pull the newest image, right? How do I do that? Pull newest image. Docker pull. Okay. So do I just do Docker pull this thing? Image is up to date. Is it though? Image layer details. Why have I pressed that? So where's the link to GitHub or GitLab or whatever? Where to file Docker image related issues? Okay, I think that's the one, and the last change was 3 weeks ago, and the guy just removed some stuff here. Let's see. Try to fix invoke web request in Windows images, whatever, and ESBCL 219. And that was 3 weeks ago, so we would have like the freshest SBCL, which is nice. Okay, so let's see. Let's have a look at SBCL version here. Yeah, and it is the old image. God damn it. So pull is obviously not the way to pull the newest image. Docker image pull. Okay. God damn it. So do I do Docker image pull this one? Up to date. Then just okay. And Docker is lying again, for fuck's sake. Image pull. How do I update the Docker image in container? 3 easy steps. Wow. So check current versions, pull the latest image. Docker pull Docker image. What if I remove that? Latest. Okay. Let's see if that would do the trick. And it would take ages. Because the Go language obviously can't download files very fast. Stop and remove existing container. I don't think I have anything running. Yeah. Docker image pull. Name tag digest. All tags. All tagged images. Docker image. Yeah, right. Come on, goddammit, just work faster. Would you? Yeah, now it extracts the shit. Okay, so what if I do that again? Nope. Fuck's sake. Okay, what if I I don't know, call it with -a. This would probably take ages. Yeah, probably not a very good idea. I mean, what is the exact semantics of this? What all tagged images? Yeah. Okay, let's see what would happen. I mean, probably it would do the thing I wanted to do. Yeah, and then again, notoriously slow downloading capabilities of the Go language and Docker. Okay, so... Oh, fuck my life. So it would do that again? So that uses Alpine here. Okay. And some another Alpine now. Okay, it is just not that big, so why not? Come on, goddammit. So now booster slim. I'm using stretch, right? Slim booster. Pull in the first layer. Slim stretch. Uh-huh. Painful. Yeah, that's quite painful. Okay, while it is doing that, let me just see if the trick with the image worked. I mean, I can't really do that until I fix that, goddammit. But I probably can copy the assets file, right? Yeah, I can. So let's do that. So I have the virtual box in which I was trying some stuff with this instruction from the documentation from the org file to quick start with the engine. So I will see if that instruction works. Okay. So, yay. So the thing is, okay, goddammit, why is it changing the resolution? What the fuck with that? So apply. Yes, please. So I'm going to demonstrate what is going on if you just use the current no, local projects, this one. So if you use the current archive with the resources, so if you do quick load, do clone, goddammit, do clone kit, and after that you do d2c demo. Yeah, you got that. The package DLD does not exist. So yeah, let's just quit from here. Oops. So if I replace it with a correct file, so okay, how can I mean, do I set up the what's it's called, the shared directory? Let's just do that. VBox. Do I have VBox? No, I don't. Let's use public then. Wow. Public. Public. Okay. Oh, it works. Wow. Wait, what? You don't have the permissions. Yeah, whatever. I guess I will just use root. So I'm going to just copy this new archive from then procs DLD, no, from procs game dev DLD resources assets to public. Right, and then I can just copy it here in my virtual machine. So, I mean, where is that shit mounted? So media SF public. Yeah, right, of course. I mean, but if I do that, yeah, right. So let's just copy, oops, copy, what do we copy? We copy assets.zip here. Wait, what? Oh yeah, alas, of course. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, and now let's just, for the sake of completeness, change own to what? To Ubuntu on that file. And yeah, so now let's see if that archive would magically do the thing work. So okay, I'll quick load do clone kit, and after that let's do d2c demo, the moment of truth. What the fuck? Well, fonts. Oh, font TDF. Fuck me. Huh. So that is another problem I also have to fix here. Font TDF, right. Font TDF. Dun, 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 dun. I see what the problem is, and it is also easily fixable. Oh, I think I've just changed it to the default name only in develop 2. So if I go to, I mean, I think this thing is going to download like the full internet, like the whole thing. Fuck's sake. So, where was I? I think I'm going to have then do the docker gc prune or whatever, system prune, how it is called. So, right, so where was I? So here, first of all, I want to have a look where is that change with the default font name. National Glen performance, file system performance, and director starts to do cosmetic tweak, face, yeah, you're handling. Yeah, here it is, default value for font config variable. Right, so where does that name come from here? TTF? Yeah, here we go. So I probably will rename it to font so that it is compatible with the newest changes, right? And then also I would also have to rename the file. So let's see. So let's go to DLD resources, and here, yeah, unpack sets. So then remove this asset. So then let's then go to fonts and move this Allegria C to font TTF, which kind of makes sense actually. It is the font. It's not just some random font. So that's that. Let's go back and then pack everything again to the zip file. Where the fuck is that comment? Yeah, that's the one. So now I should remove all of those. And that's it. So I think I can, yeah, first of all, let's do the build. Build, no, not that. Build.lisp, goddammit. Yeah. And then let's try and launch that. Okay, and it obviously works because it has picked up the font. Okay, cool. Nice. Right, so now we want to commit that too, right? Oh yeah, and that command failed. Awesome, just awesome. I mean, Docker is getting shittier every year. Right, so assets, build Linux, unified, blah blah blah. And the size has changed for some reason. So 575757. To the 3 and then 11, 14 bytes. Nah, kind of makes sense, I guess. So what have I done here is I'm also unified the font name with the new default. Yeah, here we go. Right. Have I built it? Yeah, I built and tested it. So, right, we have that change. So let's copy this new archive to where? To public. And see if that will work in our virtual machine. So we also want to copy that thing here and probably in the single go just do that. Yep, and let's see if that will work. So quick load data clone kit and then data c demo. The fuck? I mean, how come? Fonts font TTF. So bored. This is weird. Have I repacked the thing? Yeah, I think I did. So fonts, where's fonts? Sounds UI text. Fonts font TTF. I can see that here. What the fuck? So where's, yeah, here. Damn it. I've just started some crap, for fuck's sake. Right, where was I? So let's get back to resources and see what is going on here. Yeah, of course I don't have an MC here. So let's install some MC. Come on, goddammit. Assets. So I have fonts. What the fuck? Have I copied the wrong thing? Damn it. Fuck's sake. So where do I god damn it. Right. So let's again copy that file to public and then copy it back here. Right, we have this new assets.zip. Oh yeah, and how do I exit MZ again? Comment options, no, quit. Oh yeah, that worked. So final try. That should work. God damn it. Probably I should have some sort of script to do those two commands in one go instead of typing every time already. So D2C demo. Come on, work, please. God damn it. Oh, yeah, it works. Yay, it worked. Until it didn't. The function package version is undefined. Oh, that's because I should do git pull, right? I have, yeah. So let's do just that. Git pull. Yep. And now what do we do? Now we call that shit again. Quick load. Goddammit. Did a clone kit. And then did the same demo. And now it definitely should work. Yay! It works and shows some weird version for the like as the engine version, but whatever. So did locate demo 011. So this is works. I mean, this is working and this is in line with the documentation I have here. So you install those packages, you kind of clone it to your quick Lisp, you then do that, and it works right away. So you just like download this assets file. So okay, let me commit everything I want to commit. And yeah, what do I want to commit? I want to finish that story with Docker. And it would take some time, I gather. Version. For fuck's sake, you must be kidding me. Okay, let me just do docker image remove. This one, the log sbcl. And again? Okay. How the fuck? Stretch. Okay, let's do force. Okay, awesome. And now we do that and it refetches the image. Alright, so which version now? You have to be kidding me. I mean, what the actual fuck? No, not that. So what about versions here? Oh, 201 booster, the fuck? Shared text 214. Probably the README wasn't updated in quite a while. Let's have a look at tags. So 219 slim. Wait a sec, I'm using stretch. And I think it wasn't updated, was it? Stretch. Slim stretch, yeah, 201 slim stretch updated 3 months ago. So I was just being angry at the wrong thing, I guess. Slim stretch. Okay, why wasn't it updated though? I mean, stretch is pretty old, right? Which one is stretch? Yeah, Debian, of course, Debian stretch. So, Debian 9, superseded by booster. Security updates has been discontinued as July 16th, 2020. However, stretch benefits from LTS until the end of June 22. The LTS is limited, blah blah blah. Yeah, so probably I should leave some comment here about missing build. Where does the... god damn it. I just need the reference to repository. Is that the correct one? Unofficial images, the repository is mirrored bus between. So which one do I use? I guess this one? Yeah, issues. How to use quick clips with Lisp inside the image, closed. Lateral wrap, yeah. So let me just have a look at the repository itself. Git ignore 219. Docker file with a slim nightly. Where's the Debian one? Update SH. What do I have here? Oh, it was removed, as I can see. Huh. That's bad. That's bad because probably my build wouldn't work. Ugh. Okay, so let's just stick to 217. That's fine too. Bullseye, fine, yeah, whatever. Oof, this is hard. So, yeah, probably I don't want that, but whatever. So, what do I want here? I want to test whether this shit still works, this build script of mine. So what do? We do all of those commands. We just copy those here and yeah, probably move that somewhere to... Yeah, so this works. So this instruction is just fine. I mean, oh, how? Oh, that's because of the map. That's not quite nice too. Yeah, probably I should... fuck. Oh, now I have another idea. Probably I also want a player placed in a map file or something. Let me just type that in. Due to... Goddammit. Due to clonekit.lisp. So I'm halfway through this to do, and I also want to store player, like initial player position, in the file, or some kind of entry point or spawn point. Yeah. Or initial point or whatever. So yeah, that's valuable idea. Okay, so where was I? I was here, so I want all of those commands typed in and then see if my build script still works. Wait, what? That was weird. So then and then I call just this script. Okay, so where was it located? No, opt? Was it in opt? Yeah, it was in opt. So I just call this one, right? Yeah, I think so. Oops. And it might fail due to new package dependencies and new packages I haven't like mentioned here. Yeah, exactly. Many problems around blah 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 depends on libgtk, however, it's not installed. So what if I install it? libgtk 3.0, this one? Ah, the fuck. So this situation in apt was always puzzling me. So what is going to do? Automatically installed, no longer required. Additional packages would be installed. The following new packages would be installed, blah 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 blah, libgtk. Okay, that is exactly what I want to do, but yeah, let me just start afresh. So I am going to just add that to the list of packages. Yeah, to get install lib apt. Wait a second. No, I probably want that in my build script. Do I? The package. Yeah, Windows release before script. Right. libglib. Oh no. libgtk 2.0. Yeah, it has changed. So it is called now. Oh yeah, okay. So let me just put it right here instead of this one. Okay, let's start afresh. So again, the same command. If I would have to start all of those the third time, at that point I would copy that to the separate file. Okay. Alrighty. Yeah, it works pretty fast actually. So now we got that and work. Please do. Okay, it looks like it's kind of working because I haven't seen any conflicts within like the files, within the package files, I mean. So it's good. Now it is compiling some stuff and it should work. It actually should work. Wow, it is. It was kind of relatively easy. I expected a lot more of effort to be done here. Okay, please work. Dun, 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 dun. Yay, it is building the actual image. And then it would do the... Oh, yeah, could not find a dependency file to deploy. Fuck's sake. Could not find copyright files and libwebp S07. Okay, I was having some fix for libwebp. Yeah, here it is. But obviously now we want the 7th, right? Let's see what do we have in store. Okay, the 7th. The P. I can't really see the one that is 7, right? So wait a sec. Which one I was using? I was using libwebp5. libwebp5. There's not a lot of those. libwebp5 0.4.4 1. Yeah, like the latest. Okay, so obviously I need libwebp6, right? At least I think so. So which one then? Ubuntu 0.18. Yeah, I'm using Ubuntu 16.04. So I guess I don't know, this one? Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, probably I should close this. Right, so I probably can shut down this virtual machine. I'm sure it works now. I've verified that. So, what do we do here? We kinda download. What the fuck? This one? Oh, fuck me. Nope. For fuck's sake. Forget. I mean, how was it working just previously? Minus Q. Fuck's sake. I mean, seriously though. That file was downloaded here, but now it's not. No, it was somewhere like here. There should be this huge wget command somewhere. Here we go. And here that worked. Oh, I was using it without HTTPS. Okay. Alright, so now I can at least try to install it, or probably list the files, right? Is not installed. Examine archive files, the package -info. Dun, 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 dun. And where are the files? Contents. Okay. Contents. Yay. So we have libwebp S0602. Huh. And here it was asking for libwebp S07. Fuck's sake. So let's see. Find user type path name libwebp star. So it was ending with So that's 7. Right, so it ends with a version. Dun, 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 dun. Do I have some workarounds for something like ln or maybe cp? Nope. Weird. So this is somehow quite broken, it would seem. libwebp, huh? So first of all, is it depending on something libwebp Debian package? libwebp 6. Yeah, so it only depends on libc, which is good, because it means I can take the package from some different like distribution, right? It probably should do the trick. So sit unstable. Wait a second. So how the fuck it was asking for libwebp S02E11 if even in Debian unstable it is yet 6? If I can kidding me? Fuck. So list of files. Yeah, libwebp S06. Are you kidding me? Okay, let's have a look at this freaking build. How it was going on. I mean, yeah, build status, whatever. Yeah, probably I was using those links. Yeah, let me see. Well, first of all, how do I list dependencies? List dependencies of a dep file. Dun, 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 dun. For dep package, the package m minus I capital. Okay. So it is in TMP, liballegro, come on, liballegro image. Are you kidding me? Liballegro. Oh, image 5. What was it? Just, yeah, 5. Like this one. So, where are my dependencies? Oh yeah, dependency liballegro, libc, libjpeg, libpng, libwebp 5. The fuck? How come it uses this shit? libwebp 5. Okay, let's have another look. At the actual library. So where is that? Bin liballegro image, so 5.2. Couldn't find copyright files, yeah, whatever. So where is it located? User type of name, this one. The fuck? So let's inspect it with LDD. And what do I have here regarding the P? libwebp S05. You must be fucking kidding me. Just straight away fucking kidding me. So libwebp 5. Right. So what if I do that? What if I copy that to that file, libwebp S05 are the same file? The fuck? Is it a symbolic link of sorts? It is S05. So why the fuck this is expecting libwebp S07? This is ridiculous. I mean, I probably can just copy that like that. Give me just a moment. So in this directory, just with the name it fucking expects. So I guess I should just call fuck my life, this latest comment, right? Bin name lib. I'm not exactly sure. I don't even know what is going on here. Find some lib files. What am I doing here? Find bin name. Oh, okay. Okay, alright. So let's try this command then. Server. Nope, opt. So. Now it can't find libOpenGL. That's so. Okay, let me just copy this old command, which fixes up libp. That's just fucking insane. Okay, so libOpenGL, right? libOpenGL. And I really don't have that. Weird. I mean, this crap was working previously, right? libOpenGL, huh? Okay. So Debian install libOpenGL. So libOpenGL. How to install OpenGL.so. What? CL OpenCL def. No, I don't want OpenCL. I want fucking OpenGL. So. Oh, I found OpenGL, fuck's sake. libOpenGL Perl, OpenGL def. Is it just... No, wait, libgl vnd, what the fuck is that? Vendor neutral GL dispatch library. Okay, let's install that, I guess, or I'm not sure. libgl1, yeah, let's install that. Install libgl1. Wait, what? Selecting libgl1 mesogl x. Huh. Okay. Still not getting that. What if I install this? Fuck my life. Huh. GL. Okay, what if I search for glvnd? Oh, that's because it is old Debian, right? It is a stretch. And it's not even here. Stretch backports. Oh, probably I have to add backports, so Debian stretch add backports and backports. Sources list. So how would that look? It would look like that. Echo this one, the blah 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 stretch backports to sources list. Oh, and I probably want to, yeah, sources. Wait, where? Which one? TC apt sources list D. Do I even have that? See apt sources list D. Yeah, I do. Oops. So it is apt sources list D. Backwards, and then do just that. So now I can move it here, and at that point I should copy that to a separate file or just scratch buffer. Okay, all right. So let's try those anew. Whoa. Wait, what? Ignoring backports. Oh, fuck my life. So it should be backports. What? Backports that list. Oops. So yeah, that's the one. So let's remove the old one. This here, but sources will be this one. And then do just that. Okay. So fuck's sake. So then this next command. Yeah, okay. And then this one. I think I already done that. And then install all of the crap here. It was something related to libgl mesa 1, but yeah, I'm just ignoring that. Okay, so what do we have next? Yeah, the script. So we cd here and do... wait, what? Oh yeah, we cd to opt. And do just that. Wait. Oh, I have saved this crap. Okay. Now it probably should work. I'm guessing. I also probably should have removed the bin folder, but whatever. It will just overwrite when required. Okay, now it would take some time, of course. Yeah, as always. Right, again, the same thing, lipopenGL.so is missing, but now I can use the backports, right? I can install that crap, I think. Install this one. Oh, and the dependencies. libgl x0. The fuck? libgl x0. Depends libgl x. I mean, I could play this game the whole night. libgl x mesa 0. Depends libdrm, but is to be installed. So libdrm2 libgl api mesa. Huh. So what if I remove those two and try again? Oh. No, I don't want that. For fuck's sake. So let's see what is related to OpenGL in user, right? So name, OpenGL, probably lib something, OpenGL, something. What? Oh yeah, type F. Nothing. Just straight nothing. That's bad. So what was it saying again? Could not find dependency. libpengl so 0. The problem bug in ByteX caused blah blah blah. Install OpenGL separately from installing per site. Friglot. Would that do the trick? So it has installed something. So let's just try this command which does the build, whether if it would work. The same shit. Okay, let's see. Type F. I should have pressed I here. Nope. Fuck me. Leave OpenGL 0. Let's try that. Leave OpenGL 0. So I guess leave OpenGL 0 it is. So give me just a moment. Leave OpenGL 0, where was it? OpenGL 0. Leave OpenGL 0. Yeah. Okay. So now the next one, leap XSS. XSS. Oh. Leap XSS 1. So let's install that. X11 screensaver. Okay. To install leap XSS 1. And then this comment again, and probably I also want to add it here. Leap XSS 1. I am, yeah, here. PRS. RS, yeah, here. Leap XSS 1, was it? Yeah. So now leap GLX. Okay. This is getting a bit tedious. So let's search for GLX. libgl1 mesa glx. I think I have this installed, right? So what the fuck do you want? libglx. glx. Wait, what was it again? libglx, so 0. Let's ask Google again. Mint, okay. So mint is the Debian derivative, so it should be working. libglx 0. I think I do have that. So libglx 0. Oh. It's going to be installed. Why the fuck it wouldn't be installed? glx mesa. glx glx libgl1 mesa glx libglx. I'm not getting that. libgl mesa def libgl mesa glx. Okay, so what if I remove the back ports and then have that libglx mesa libglx mesa 0. And alphabetically it should be, I think, here. Right. So this comment would be different, and that would be to... Okay, let's try again. But without backports this time. So would that work? No, it wouldn't. Unable to locate package libglx mesa 0. So it was from the backports. And if I do the backports, it would fail anyway. Wait a second. Oh yeah, I should update. Yeah, and now it can't install libglx mesa 0. Fuck's sake. Okay, I reckon there was some Debian package search, right? And you could search using the file name. Search in So here's the contents keyword. Package that contain files named like this. Right, distribution stretch. Yeah, let's use stretch first. So, what was the problem then? libglx S02E11. Search. NVIDIA. Awesome. Amazing. What about stretch updates? Nope. Stretch backports. Okay, libglx 0. So I reckon I can't install that too. libglx 0, fuck's sake. Wait, what? Made dependencies. libglx 0 depends on libglx Mesa 0. Fuck's sake. What was that? Weird. Stretch. Yeah, let's just type it like that. Stretch backports. How to enable automatically. libglx Mesa. Yeah, here's the same problem. Petitude suggests this for you. The following packages at their current versions not installed. Install the following packages. GLVND NVIDIA. Okay, what if I install that crap? Oops. Huh. Makes sense. The dependency tree is broken. Yeah, this is painful. I mean, what have changed? Yeah, I'm only trying to use the latest liballegro, like 5.2.7 instead of 5.2.6, right? And this is not helping me at all. Man, this is... I mean, those kind of problems are always show how people are... what's the word? Reckless. They never, like, keep the backwards compatibility. Okay, so I guess what I will do, I will just keep at the... I don't even want that. And I will just keep at the 5.2.6, right? Yeah, I think I will. I mean, this library doesn't have anything... This version, I mean, doesn't have a lot of new changes. Or does it? Okay, let me just have a look. Allegro changelog. Recent changes. So, 5... No, that's quite an old changelog. I reckon they had it in like... Yeah, here, 5.2.7 released. List of changes. Yeah, here we go. So build system core, I reckon there was something important. Return key modifiers and event key up and key down. Return key, yeah, enter. Okay, local NL map. Minimum bitmap size, refresh rate, graphics, bitmap, option profile, OS X, Windows, SDL. Native dialogues, primitives, ribbon examples. I don't even have anything for Linux, right? Linux. Yeah. So core, Windows, audio, sensible values, buffer. This is actually good. Playing sounds in reverse. VF done. Yeah, whatever. Let's just keep the old version, shall we? I mean, I would just stash that, right? Stash work tree to like 527 Linux, or like Linux 527. Yeah, right. And then, I mean, I have to try if that works with the existing code, because it might have break in that period of time. So let's see, let's just execute all of those commands and see if that will work with the older version of libAllegro. I mean, it probably should. Oops. Dun, 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 dun. Yep. This probably would work. And finally, yeah, wait, what? Oh, I guess some files are missing from the URLs. Are they, though? Ah, fuck's sake. So let's do that, and yeah, let's have a look. Yeah, I knew that would happen. Yeah, 404 error. Why though? It is for this old Allegro version. Are you fucking kidding me? I mean, does it remove the old builds? Fuck. Okay, so let me just remove all of those, close all of those tabs. And yeah, index of pool main. So Xenial. 527. But what if I want 526? God damn it. 5, I'm even getting sleepy at that point. So, do we have an old builds though? Needs building. Failed to build all states. So, I want 526. So 5260 dash what? Dash 2. We lost dash 2 tilde Xenial. Yeah, here we go. So here's that build. Binary packages. There are no links. So what if I go to some more recent build like this one? Xenial. Yeah, no links either, but we have build files here. Fuck my life, they do rebuild. Sorry, they do remove old builds, so I'm forced to move to 527. Oh, fuck my life. This is just so painful. And I mean, it could be related to old... I mean, those troubles I had, they could be related to the new version of app image. Fucking crap. Let's see. Build not Lisp. So where is that thing? Linux deploy. This one. So download continues. Yeah, I'm using the latest one. So can I have like some old build and some mention of the version there? So yes, CI pipelines. Linux release. So let's see. App image tool. Linux deploy app image. Okay, version 1 alpha, git commit, blah blah blah, GitHub Actions build 32. So I can probably just reuse that one, right? Oh man, this is awkward. I mean, can I like push those changes knowing that this build would fail, but it actually doesn't change anything important like game wise? No, this is just bad. I want to update it for like every platform. For fuck's sake. Linux deploy, okay. So we have some builds here, and yeah, 37 builds. Dun, 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 dun. What was the commit ID again? Yeah, this one. Probably some older. No, it is quite... Wait, what am I looking at? I'm looking at some wrong thing. I want to go here. And also app image tool. Oh yeah, the trouble I think was actually in app image tool, wasn't it? Let me have a look. Do I have this much of history? Yeah, I do. So what was going on? Linux deploy. Oh. Yeah, it was Linux deploy, so problem is in Linux deploy, right? Creating basic library structure. Yeah, the problem is in Linux deploy. So I want to go here and use this build, which is 32 releases. Oh, one tech. Amazing. They don't have the old builds, for fuck's sake. This is just... ugh. Crap. Okay. So I have to fight again with this Linux deploy crap to make that work. And yeah, I guess that's good that I saved a stash. Alright. Yeah, I gotta fight with that fucking thing to make this work. Okay. So I guess I'm going to do that off screen because I'm way too tired for today. So yeah, the actual theme for today's stream was going to be the new org file based documentation, but yeah, to make the claims in that documentation true, namely this nice instruction for like onboarding new developers, I had to undergo to those like painful things. And yeah, I haven't even finished those, but hopefully I will in nearest time and then publish this nice documentation. And yeah, obviously I will have to fill that in with the details, but yeah, that would be nice too. So yeah, I guess that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and get back next Saturday if you want more. And if you speak Russian, then come on this Tuesday. I'm going to be streaming in Russian. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. Take care.